Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I would like to come up with a new topic. The topic is swing trading. Okay, so how exactly we should make an entry with the swing trading? If you want to know about a swing trading is basically entering a stock or buying a stocks and waiting for 1 week, 2 weeks. With the profit, you should exit the stocks. Okay, this is what it can be 1 week, 2 week. If it is going in an upward direction, it can be 1 month also. You can stay and book a profit. That's what meant by swing trading. The advantages of swing trading is that your the capital whatever you are investing, that will be safe even if stock goes below or the range which you are not expecting. You should be exiting with a minimum, very minimum loss. Okay, that's what the advantage. And if you invest it, you don't have to worry about like the intraday trading or the options and futures, because whatever investing, whatever the loss you are making on the particular day, you should book the loss for in case of intraday and options as well. Okay, so this is very advantage for the lot of retail traders. So basically what we can consider is that the best practices I'll be letting you guys know that how exactly we can do a swing trading. Okay, so for the swing trading, there are a lot of websites are available. I will be choosing a StockEdge. Okay, and I'll show you 1 second. Yeah. So basically, swing trading, you should be giving your phone number and you should log in it. It's a free of cost. If you want more and more advanced option, then you need to pay it and get the subscription. Okay, but this is a free version, currently what I'm using. And in the stock edge, if you go to analytics here, you need to go to scans. Then I'll be selecting a technical scans here. Under the technical scans, we need to select the relative strength index scans. Okay, what is relative strength index scans? Basically, this is the RSI. What we are seeing it here, this is the relative strength index. Okay, this is an indicator. How exactly it is built is that it is based on the different calculation they have done it, and based on the previous data, maybe it's a year data or a monthly wise data, they have combined together and made it some indices versus some strength candling they are taking and they are making it. Okay, if you want more technical details, you can search it in website. So how exactly it is built, what are the algorithms they have used, you can get it out. And basically this is the indicator I am telling. Okay, this indicator is very helpful to pick the stocks. Okay, you can see here, this is the indicator where this is the uh, how much it is. Currently it is 70, right? 70 is basically called as the overbought zone, and this is the 30 area. 30 is basically a oversold zone. So in order to enter into a swing trade, whenever the stock is at oversold area, uh, you need to be alert, I will say. Okay, as soon as it enters to the oversold zone, you should not make an entry. You should be getting an confirmation and you should make an entry. I will tell you in a minute. So basically I will be going to technical scans and selecting the RSI oversold zone. Okay, and I have selected only Nifty 50 here. Okay, the top 50, and you can select for Nifty 50 or Nifty next 50 also fine. And if you apply it, it will filter out the stocks which are in the oversold zone. Okay, this job is done now, and what we need to analyze now, how we should make an entry. That is what the important thing. Okay, so this is one of the chart I have taken for an example. So basically you can see it here. This is one oversold zone, oversold zone, oversold zone. I'm in a daily time frame here. Okay, so how exactly you should make an entry? Is it as soon as reaching to 30, it is a oversold zone and I should be making an entry? That is an aggressive entry. Okay, you can take an aggressive entry based on your risk and reward, but you should be very careful. Instead of that, you can go for the safer option by confirmation, the candle confirmation. You can make an entry. Okay, so I'll show you one the PPT here, the presentation. So basically for the swing trading purpose, take an example. This is the one candle. Okay, this is one candle, day one candle and day two candle. Take it as in day one and day two currently. So think that I'm in day one. This candle is formed. This is okay, day one. And you can see it here, the RSI is at oversold zone or near to 30. Okay, the value of 30. So I will be considering this stock currently to make an entry for the swing trade right now. So day one I will not make the entry. On day two, what I will do, I will wait for the confirmation. Okay, what confirmation? So on day two, the stock should be moving above this wick. Basically, I will say this this price. It should move above this price. Okay, then it is a very strong bullish movement. Okay, so and also you should be observing that RSI should move in upward direction as well, not on the downward direction. Okay, this is a first signal that okay, this is moving up, the stock is moving up from here, from this point. Okay, so you should be deploying all your capital here. No, I will say deploy only 40% of the capital here on the day two. Okay, else you can wait for the third day confirmation as well. I will say here day three. Okay, day three, sorry, this is day four and this is day three. Sorry, this is the day three. Okay, so what I will do in this case, this is kind of one scenario. Day one, I will be waiting. If you are an aggressive trader, you can enter it here also, and if it further goes down, you can exit with a stop loss. Okay, and you can keep it as a stop loss below this candle, and you can exit. This is very early entry. Okay, but if you want to get a confirmation, this is the first confirmation that the stock is moving upside, and RSI also there is a upside movement. But on the day three, you can observe that it is closing on the same level of day two. Okay, that's why I'm telling that you should be waiting for the clear confirmation. Okay, the entry should be the ideal entry or the safe entry should be if day on the day four, if it is day directly, if you don't consider this day three also, that is fine. If on the day three, if this candle appears and the if it is opened above this day two or day three range, then you can make an entry. Okay, so on this above, on this line you should make an entry. That means if it is opened above this price, above this day 2 or day 3 price, you can make an entry. That is the full confirmation that it is going up. Okay, market is the boss, anything can happen. It can come, it can reverse also from here. You should be ready to take the stop loss. That's why I have mentioned the stop loss here. The stop loss is very much a lifesaver for the trading traders. You should always keep it in mind, and uh, you can comment out if you want to know how to put a stop loss in any brokers. I will make a video if you don't know, and if you don't like I mean any of my videos, you can comment out also. We can improve as well. You can subscribe, like and share for more and more videos. If you have not subscribed, subscribe it right now, please. Okay, so for an example, you have taken an entry on the day 4. So day 4, I will be keeping my stop loss as SL1, and on the day 4 you can deploy full capital here. Okay, if you have 1 lakh, you can, if you want to invest 1 lakh on that stock for a swing trading, you can deploy it here. On day 2, another strategy, if you want to deploy 50% of the capital, and you can deploy on the day 2 itself, because it is closed above and your RSI is reversing, and you can keep a stop loss above or the closing of this candle. You can keep a stop loss. So on day 4, day 5, day 6, you can take it. Okay, what you can do, you can move this stop loss, the trail this stop loss to below this level. Okay, on day 5, if stock moves upwards above this or below this also, but you should be keeping a stop loss here. You should be moving a stop loss here. This is the SL2 stop loss. And for the day 5, what is the stop loss? This is the stop loss. Okay, and one thing you can keep it in mind, that the stock will not move in a straight line like this. It will be going higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. In this pattern, the stock will move always. Okay, because some of the traders, what they will do, they will be happy with this from here to here. They will be happy with this profit. They'll book a profit. That's why the stock will go down. It is the usual pattern the stock is making an entry. Okay, you're clear that where you should make an entry, and we'll see in the chart, in the live chart, how exactly it will look like. And one more thing, okay, you made an entry, but on which confirmation you should be exiting the stock. That is also very important, because you can see this is, you can take it as a day 5. On day 5, the stock closed here, and the next day itself the stock comes down below this area. You should not be exiting in this candle. Okay, uh, there is a psychology that, okay, maybe here I'll be in a more profit, on this candle I'll be coming to less profit, but in this stock market we should be ready for this. Okay, because if you exit here, suppose something can happen in market, that after this candle, okay, this is the exit zone anyhow. If it is closed below this area, this is the exit zone. This is the scenario 1, you can take it. Okay, what can happen if we have any strong support below this candle or the exit area, then the stock might go upward again. Okay, that's why you should be looking for the strong support zones. What are the support zones? I will show you. If any stock made the kind of support zone, this is the 1 second. Yeah, so this is one area, it is making price action. This is one area, this is one area. So this is this becomes a strong support for the uh, this stock. Okay, that's how you should be looking for the strong support zone. Okay, so this is one thing, and I will delete this. So you can exit if it is closed below this week. So you can exit, you can keep a stop loss anyhow, so that it will be automatically exited. But if you want to go up, or if you want to travel with a stock, then what you can do, you can average it also. Okay, if stock comes down here, and if it is going further down, you can average it, and one place it will bounce back again. Okay, and how exactly you should take the decision on exiting the stock, you should be seeing this RSI divergence video, which I have already done, because exiting also very important, because because of this bad exit, we should not feel that okay, if stock again goes up, we will be missing a lot of profit, right? So that's the reason. Check for the proper support zone and check for the RSI divergence concept, and you should make an exit. Okay, and yeah, and one more thing you can see here, the on the day 5, right? This is the day 5. On the day 5, this is if this stock reached to RSI 70, this is the signal that there should be some divergence or there should be some profit booking will going to happen, at least for some points, at least for some 10 to 15 points. Okay, or it depends on the stock actually. So you should be taking it, and you should if you don't want to exit, you can wait for this reaching out to RSI 30 and average it, and then again it will bounce back. This is very strong indicator everyone is using in the stock market for the swing trading purpose. Okay. Hope you're clear about the concept. You can comment out if you have any doubts. And in the stock, if you want to see here, this is one candle. Okay, this is, you can see it here exactly. It is at the oversold zone, RSI 30. Okay, but should you make an entry? Yeah, if trader is a very aggressive trader, he will make an entry here. He'll be thinking that okay, anyhow it will go up, but that won't work out every time. In the market can reverse also. What will happen if aggressive trader make an entry with this candle, okay, at this area? It is very early entry here, and he will be keeping a stop loss somewhere around here. Okay, but if you want to make a safe entry, get a confirmation as I explained in the presentation. So this is day 1, this is day 2. I will not make an entry here, even though RSI is moving up and candle is above this closed below sorry, closed price. If this candle is above, okay, and see, you can see it here again. This candle comes down to further down, and it moves closed on this area, okay, around this 3714. Okay, but what is happened here, the divergence, even though if this stock goes down, there is no downward movement in the RSI. This is the 50% of confirmation that the stock will go up. Okay, you can make an entry here, but with a very less, I will say 10% of the capital. Okay, then what is happened on this candle, it is the confirmation. It is also 50% confirmation for me, because this candle is not closed above. Okay, on this day what is happened, the stock is totally crossed the above previous the ranges, I will say. Okay, this is one range. I will make an horizontal line here. Yeah, you can see 1 2 3 4, it is broken this price level and it went up, right? As soon as this above wick, this price, it breaks out, or it crosses that price, then you can make an entry with the full capital. Okay, then again don't worry about these candles, because you should be making a profit on this candle, and you should be definitely keeping a stop loss below this wick. Okay, as soon as you are making a trailing stop loss, you can go for previous one day or one candle, or two candle also you can make it, but two candle is very risky. Okay, and one more concept you should be keeping it, that if you make an entry, the stop loss should be very minimal. Okay, for the first day you should be keeping half of this candle. mm. So if it is coming down, you can move it also, that stop loss. Okay, so this is what the exact entry we should make it, and there is no divergence if it is going down, but you can see it here. The stock is the candles are going down, but the RSI it is at the same level. Okay, it shows there is no proper exit position here. you watch out my RSI divergence video, you will be getting it. Okay, see, for with the scale, if we exit with this candle below, if we keep the stop loss, okay, ideally you should be keeping the stop loss somewhere here. Okay, by scale, if you exit here by thinking bad decision, exit decision, uh, you will be missing out this rally. Okay, okay, so this is what I wanted to convey. If you have any doubts, please let me know. Like, share and subscribe for more and more concept like this. If you are new to the market, thoroughly study the market and do the investment or swing trading. For a newcomer, swing trading is the best option instead of jumping into options and trading. That is very risky unless until you know the concepts clear. Okay, so uh, uh, happy trading and safe, be a safe trader. Okay, thank you.